Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is our special series on daily news review. In our previous video I asked few questions. Let's see their solution first. So the first question was, what is the rank of India in Global Hunger Index Report 2022? So the correct answer for this question is 101. The second question which I asked is, for each country GHI values are determined by which of the following indicators? So the correct answer for this question is option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. 3rd September, which is observed as International Vulture Awareness Days. Let's understand the status of vultures in India. India is home to 9 species of vulture, but most of them face the danger of extinction. As you can see here in the list, these are the 9 critically endangered vulture species. Those are found in India. To conserve the vulture, Indian government has set up Vulture Care Center at Pinjore, Haryana in 2001. The VCC was upgraded to the first vulture conservation and breeding center in India in 2004. At present, there are 9 vulture conservation and breeding centers in India, out of which 3 are directly administered by Bombay Natural History Society. India's conservation efforts are focused on the 3 species of vulture which are critically endangered according to International Union for Conservation of Nature, namely white-backed vulture, slender-billed vulture and long-billed vulture, as you can see here. Let's understand the reasons for death of vulture. The major reason behind the death of vulture population was the bioaccumulation of persistent organic pollutant drug diclofenac. It was found in the carcass of cattle on which the vulture feeds. The drug was commonly administered to cattle to treat inflammation. Its veterinary use was banned in 2008 by the Government of India. Bioaccumulation is the gradual accumulation of persistent organic pollutants such as pesticides or other chemicals in an organism. Cremation of animal carcass by forest department instead of burying them led to death of vultures out of starvation. Indian Navy's new ensign flag unveiled at Cochin Shipyard Limited in Cochin on Friday during the commissioning of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. Previously, Indian naval flag carried a sign of the St. George's Cross with the tricolor in the top left corner of the flag. It is replaced with a new sign inspired by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja, as the previous one carried a sign of slavery. You can see the new sign here. Let's understand something about the Indian Navy. The primary objective of Indian Navy is to safeguard the country's maritime border. It also works with the branches of the armed forces, the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army to deter any aggression or threat to the territory, maritime interest of India both in time of war and peace. The commander of Navy is called the Naval Staff, a 4-star admiral. Indian Navy motto is Shamno Varna, which means may the god of water Varna is protecting us. The Indian Navy Day is celebrated on December 4 every year to remember Operation Trident. Operation Trident was a counter-attack by the Indian Navy on the Karachi harbour during the Indo-Pakistan War in 1971. India used anti-ship missiles for the first time during the operation to destroy the Pakistani destroyer ship PNS Khyber. 3 more warships of the Indian Navy's INS Nipat, INS Nirgat and INS Veer played an important role in the attack. Government of India proposes a new regulator PARAK, which stands for Performance Assessment Review and Analysis for Knowledge for Holistic Development for uniformity in all board examination. PARAK is a constituent unit of NCERT. It holds periodic learning outcome tests like the National Achievement Survey and State Achievement Survey. It also sets the standards, norms and guidelines for student assessment and evaluation for all recognized school boards in India. It also encourages and helps school boards to shift their assessment pattern towards meeting the skill requirement of the 21st century. It will also tackle the problem of students of same state boards being at a disadvantage during college admission as compared to their peers in CBSE schools. It will develop and implement technical standards for the design, conduct, analysis and reporting of tests at all levels of school education. PARAK, the proposed implementing agency, is also the part of new Education Policy 2020 proposal. It is also one of the components of World Bank's sponsored STAR project, that is to improve the quality and governance of school education in Indian states. Ministry of Science and Technology organized Jigyasa for Renewable Fuel Program under Jigyasa 2.0 program. Jigyasa is a student scientist connect program launched by Council of Scientific and Industrial Research in collaboration with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan to extend classroom learning to research laboratory based learning. It envisaged laboratory visit, popular lecture series, summer vacation programs, etc. Jigyasa 2.0 program is upgraded version of Jigyasa under which virtual science lab is being opened. One of its kind elephant festival concluded in Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, Umaria, Madhya Pradesh. The elephant festival began on 27th August and ended on September 2nd. In the 7-day picnic of elephants, they were given complete rest and no work was taken. There is a team of 14 elephants in Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve which helps in the rescue operation along with the protection of the forest and ranges from the elderly to the children of elephants. In the elephant festival, elephants are subjected to health checkups by experts including blood sample, fecal sample and urine samples. Let's understand something about the Bandhavgarh. Bandhavgarh National Park is spread at Vindhyan Hills in Madhya Pradesh. It was established in 1968. Bandhavgarh National Park consists of core area of 105 square kilometer and a buffer area of approximately 400 square kilometer. Of topography varies between steep ridges, undulating forest and open meadows. Bandhavgarh National Park is known for the Royal Bengal tiger. The density of tiger population at Bandhavgarh is the highest known in India. So it's a quiz time and the first question is, which of the following drug has been reported as responsible for vulture death? Your options are aspirin, chloroquine, diclofenac sodium and penicillin. The second question is, what is the name of new ensign of Indian Navy? Your options are Prateek, Trishul, Vikrant and Nishan. The third question for the day is, the new ensign of Indian Navy is inspired by first Cholas, second Maharana Pratap, third Shivaji and fourth Akbar. And the last question for today is, what is the full form of Parak? So you all know the drill. Do comment the right answer in comment section and I'll be providing correct answer in upcoming video. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button and comment your valuable feedback. Also press the subscribe button and please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.